Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic topic to discuss: the benefits of incorporating dry fruits into your daily diet for a healthier lifestyle. Dry fruits are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. So, let's dive right in. Dry fruits are like nature's treasure trove of nutrients. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats. Let's take a closer look at some popular dry fruits and their benefits. It's important to consume them in moderation as they are also calorie-dense. Here are some healthy dry fruits you can consider adding to your daily diet. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds are nutrient-dense nuts rich in essential nutrients. They are a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Almonds also provide a significant amount of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin health and protects cells from oxidative damage. Additionally, these nuts are packed with magnesium, which contributes to bone health and supports muscle function. The fiber content in almonds aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to a balanced diet. They are known to support heart health, brain function, and skin health. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in essential nutrients and health benefits. They're an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. Walnuts also provide a good amount of antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, that help combat oxidative stress and promote overall well-being. These nuts are a source of plant-based protein, contributing to muscle health and satiety. Additionally, their content of magnesium, copper, and other minerals supports bone health and various bodily functions, making walnuts a heart and brain-friendly addition to your diet. Number 3. Cashews. Cashews are rich in minerals like zinc and magnesium, and they provide a good amount of healthy fats and protein. They can support bone health and immune function. Cashews offer a wealth of nutrients and health benefits. They provide healthy monounsaturated fats that can aid in heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Rich in magnesium, cashews support bone strength and muscle function while also promoting a healthy immune system. These nuts contain zinc, contributing to wound healing and immune response. Additionally, cashews offer dietary protein for muscle repair and growth, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Their diverse nutrient profile and delicious taste make cashews a versatile and satisfying snack. Number 4. Pistachios. Pistachios are a nutritionally dense snack with a range of health benefits. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein and dietary fiber, which can aid in promoting feelings of fullness and supporting digestive health. Their unique green color is due to antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which contribute to eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Pistachios contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which can support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, potassium, and copper, pistachios contribute to overall wellness and can be a valuable part of a balanced diet. Number 5. Dried apricots. Dried apricots are a nutrient-packed fruit with several health benefits. They are rich in dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting regular bowel movements. The high content of vitamins A and E in dried apricots supports skin health and boosts the immune system. Additionally, dried apricots are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance in the body. They also contain iron, contributing to healthy red blood cells and preventing anemia. Including dried apricots in your diet can provide a sweet and nutritious snack option that contributes to overall well-being. Number 6. Raisins. Raisins are a natural source of concentrated nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, which can protect cells from damage and contribute to heart health. Raisins are a good source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. They provide iron, supporting healthy red blood cells and preventing iron deficiency anemia. Raisins are a quick and energy-dense snack due to their natural sugars, making them an ideal option for a quick boost of vitality. Incorporating raisins into your diet can add both sweetness and nutritional value to your meals and snacks. Number 7. Prunes, which are dried plums, offer a range of nutrients and health benefits. They are a natural source of dietary fiber, supporting digestive health by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Prunes are rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and phenolic compounds, which contribute to cellular health and reduce oxidative stress. They contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance in the body. Prunes also provide sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that can have a mild laxative effect, further aiding in digestive regularity. Including prunes in your diet can be a delicious and natural way to support overall digestive wellness. Number 8. Dates. Dates are nutrient-dense fruits with a variety of health benefits. They are a great natural source of energy due to their high carbohydrate content, making them an ideal pre-workout snack. Dates are rich in dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. They provide essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, promoting heart health, muscle function, and preventing anemia. Dates contain natural antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, contributing to cellular protection and overall well-being. Incorporating dates into your diet can provide a sweet and nutritious alternative to processed sugary snacks. Number 9. Dried cranberries. Dried cranberries offer a unique blend of nutrients and health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants, such as proanthocyanidins, which support urinary tract health by preventing the adherence of bacteria to the urinary tract lining. Dried cranberries are a good source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. They contain vitamins C and E, contributing to immune function and protecting cells from oxidative damage. Dried cranberries also provide a touch of natural sweetness without added sugars, making them a healthier option for satisfying sweet cravings. Including dried cranberries in your diet can add a burst of flavor and valuable nutrients to your meals and snacks. Number 10. Dried figs. Dried figs offer a rich array of nutrients and health benefits. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting regular bowel movements. Dried figs are a natural source of minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium, contributing to bone health, muscle function, and blood pressure regulation. They contain antioxidants like phenolic compounds, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Dried figs are also a good source of iron, supporting healthy red blood cells and preventing anemia. Incorporating dried figs into your diet can provide a sweet and nutrient-packed addition to your meals and snacks. Now, the big question: how do we incorporate these nutrient-packed goodies into our daily diet? You can sprinkle a handful of mixed dry fruits over your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a delightful crunch and added nutrition. Or incorporate chopped dry fruits into your salads, smoothies, or even your favorite rice dishes for an extra burst of flavor and nutrition. When incorporating dry fruits into your daily diet, keep the following tips and precautions in mind. Portion control. Dry fruits are calorie-dense, so it's important to consume them in moderation to avoid excess calorie intake. Variety. Try to include a variety of dry fruits to ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. Added sugar. Some commercially available dried fruits can have added sugars. Opt for unsweetened or lightly sweetened varieties. Hydration. Dry fruits can be concentrated sources of natural sugars, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Balanced diet. Dry fruits are a complement to a balanced diet that includes a variety of other whole foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Remember, individual dietary needs can vary, so it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific health goals or conditions. And there you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of incorporating dry fruits into your daily diet. With their rich nutrient profiles, these little powerhouses can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant you. So, why not start adding a variety of dry fruits to your meals today? If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition and health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, a handful of dry fruits a day can keep the doctor away.